welcome to Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. Today I've been harvesting the apples. There are lots of apples that fell on the floor that I've gathered up just to tidy the place up a bit. I did notice when we got this allotment last year that we have codling moth, so I've put silver tape around the trees to try and stop the process happening again, but we do still get them. But we still have a lot of good apples. The bad apples that fell on the floor that I don't want to eat are going to the chickens. Don't come into this. So this is what the chicken run looks like this time of year. It's really wet and soggy. It's not fun to be in. I've been wanting wood chip now for about a year and still haven't had my hands on any. That's the chicken dust bath. I need more sand to put in it, and I need a cover to cover it somehow. So this should keep the chickens happy for a while. My purple sprout and broccoli and Brussels sprouts. I've left a few apples at the top that I couldn't reach just for the birds. Birds have got to have something over winter. I need to collect my cosmos seeds still. Now it's time to get home and figure out what I'm going to do with all these apples.